The formula to calculate communication channels in project management is n times n minus 1 over 2. This is the formula to calculate communication channels. And now you may be asking, what is communication channels? Hello everyone, this is Karen from Mafam, your Agile evangelist, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you why most Agile teams or project teams that are larger than the recommended 5 to 10 people usually become disengaged, dysfunctional, misinformed, and are unable to successfully deliver quality products to their customer faster and in an iterative approach. So please come with me. There is something we call communication channels in project management, and there is a formula to calculate that. The formula to calculate communication channels in project management is n times n minus 1 over 2. This is the formula to calculate communication channels. And now you may be asking, what is communication channels? Communication channels is the number of communication strings that we will have to manage as a team to be able to effectively communicate relevant information among us as team members so that we are delivering value as expected. That is what we call communication channels. Sometimes this thing tend to be overlooked because we are not really able to envision the impact of larger teams or so many people on a team. You see, so this formula, I believe, will really help you see the impact of having so many people on one team and how it may really harm your project. So now let's look into this. Come to think of it, Agile has recommended, let me focus on Scrum, has recommended an average of 5 to 10 people on one team. The reason why I strongly suggest that organizations should follow these and not try to invent their own, which has proven to be abortive so many times, is because before these people who discovered Agile put this in books, they have tried these things, they have experimented on it, and it has proven to work. That is why they are recommending 5 to 10 people on the team. If you are currently working in a project environment or product development environment, or you're part of a team, you can bear me witness. If you are on a team with so many people, it becomes so challenging for you people to really stay informed, engage, not burnt out, be well, functioning and deliver that value to your customers. Now, I'm going to show you something. Come to think of it, assume that we have a team of 5 people. This N stands for the number of people on the team, or that you will have to deal with for communication. So following this formula, we are currently on a team of 5 people, right? So it's going to be 5. So how we calculate the communication channels, or the communication channels that we will have to manage, is 5 times 5 minus 1 over 2, right? So 5 times 5, it's going to give us 25. 5 times 1 is going to give us 5 minus 2. So 25 minus 5 is going to give us 20. And then 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10. So which means that a team of 10 people, we will have to be able to manage 10 communication channels. Come to think of it, it's not just the project manager talking to 4 other people, or it's not just the Scrum Master talking to 4 other people. That's not how it works. It is the Scrum Master talking to the product owner talking to the Scrum Master, back to the other 3 developers, and the 3 developers talking to every single of these individual people on the team. All of that will make 10 communication strings that you have to manage, because you are talking among yourselves, not just one person talking to the rest of the people. So it is possible to effectively manage fewer communication strings, just adding only one person on the team. Look at this. Now we have 10 for 5 teams. Adding only one person on the team. Now, instead of 16 members, instead of 5 team members, we have 16 members. Look at how many communication strings will be added to that. So now we have 6 minus 1 over 2, right? 6 times 6 is equal to 36, right? 6 times 1 will give us 6 over 2. Oh no, sorry, 36. 36 minus 6 is equals to 30. Divided by 2, it's going to be 15. So you see, just adding only one person on the team, we now have to manage 15 communication channels. And then I have been on a team. I worked in one financial organization in the past, and we had 30 people as team members. And then the shocking thing is that when we go for retrospective, I'm still hearing people saying that we need more team members, we need more API developers, because we do not have enough API developers on the team. And I try to raise this to management so that they can restructure how they are staffing the teams. It was a huge challenge. And then I had to use this formula to help them see into our daily struggles as a team. Now, imagine 35 people on one team, and then see how many communication strings we would have to manage, and tell me how efficient or effective is that. 35 people, right, times 35 minus 1 divided by 2. Let's see how many communication strings this is going to be. So 35 times 35 is going to give us 1,225 minus 35 times 1 is going to give us 35, right? Divided by 2. 1,225 minus 35 is going to give us 1,190 divided by 2. 595. So this means that we will have 595 communication strings to effectively manage. How possible is that? That is why the impact I witnessed on that team with 35 people is team members gradually became disengaged. When we connect for refinement sessions, sprint planning, only 2 people, on a good day, only 2 people are talking. The rest of the team members assume that, oh, the team is too big, so they will not notice if I'm not talking, you see. And then gradually people started quitting the job. People became lazy. They were not accountable. The team became dysfunctional. It was a huge struggle. I had to struggle, to pass the message across, and I finally had to use this formula to explain and expose the intensity of the gap to leadership before leadership even decided to take it into consideration. You see, and now the value that I was able to deliver in that particular organization is that it took over 2 years for them to finally acknowledge that there is a problem with the way they are they're staffing their teams. But once they finally got it and decided to act on it, they now had to restructure how they are hiring. So as part of the hiring process, what they will be thinking is, what are the skill sets that we need in order to deliver value every sprint, keeping into account the recommended number from Scrum, 5 to 10 team members on one team. So you see, so if currently you are in an organization that does this, have so many people on the team and keep adding and adding and adding people, I think using this formula will really help them understand the insight and the impact of that practice on the work you all are doing. So I hope this was helpful. Again, this is Karen from Mafong, your Agile evangelist. I'm the founder of BeingAgile Consulting, an organization that has helped thousands of people achieve their Agile dreams, achieve their desired goals. So if you're looking to become an Agile practitioner, Scrum Master, Agile coach, you're looking to transition your organization, there is no other organization to help you accomplish that better than BeingAgile Consulting. Thank you so much. And if you want to be trained, we have an upcoming class please, that's our contact information right there. Visit our website and learn about our programs. And if you have questions, feel free to call us and we will be more than happy to assist you achieve your agile dreams. Thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.